Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick little demonstration of our latest personalized ornament kit. This one is for Easter. This can be working the same way as all of our other ornament kits. It allows you to personalize Easter ornaments for friends, family, or to make a few extra bucks. I just kind of want to jump into the demonstration and just show you how the kit works. So let's just get into it and start putting together some nice little ornaments. So when you get the kit, you get this nice little Inkscape template. It has the empty tomb, a happy Easter, some word art there, the Easter eggs, and of course the Easter bunny himself. When you open up the file, this is kind of what you're going to be looking at. So over here is all the originals. These are the originals. Yeah, what you want to do is make copies of these originals and modify those copies. That way you're not saving over the top of the originals, and you could go back and make changes later. If you accidentally save over the top of it, not a big deal. Just go back to Scrollsaw Village and you can download another copy. Right here in the middle is our page. This is anything that's on this page will get printed out when you send it to your printer. And of course over here we have some instructions and usage rights. So let's go ahead and personalize a few of these ornaments. Let's go ahead and take the empty tomb. And what I'm going to do is come up here to edit, and I'm going to copy it into my clipboard. And then we're going to come over here to edit and paste. And it's going to paste a copy wherever your cursor is. And in this case, it's in the upper left-hand corner. So I'm going to just drag it over here onto my page. So we're going to go ahead and personalize this, put a custom name in here. So I'm going to grab my text editor tool. And I'm going to just double click into the name here. And I'm going to put my name, so Travis. Then I'm going to grab my selector tool. And then what I'm going to do is do a marquee. Select everything, and then I'm going to come up here to Path and Union, and you could kind of see it welds everything together in a nice pattern. Is that nice? So let's try this again. Let's select this word art here. So again, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control C for copy, and then wherever my mouse is where it's going to paste it. So Control V for paste, and pasting my copy in there. And then let's put in another name. So let's do Colleen. You can see Colleen's name is too big for the frame here. Not a big deal. It's really easy to fix. Let's zoom in a little bit. We're just going to grab this frame here. And you can kind of see these little resizing nodes on each end. So I'm going to grab this middle one here. And I'm just going to grab and drag it out. And that kind of makes that frame a little bit bigger. And once you like everything, just go ahead and select everything with your marquee tool. Come up here to Path and Union, and it welds everything together into a nice pattern. Okay, so let's go ahead and set that aside. Let's go ahead and grab this one. Again, I'm going to do Control C for copy, and then Control V for paste. And then here, let's grab our text editing tool, jump right into there. Let's do one for Gavin. And these block letters are a little bit boring, so maybe we want to throw in a little bit of style, something with a little bit better font. So I'm going to go ahead and select his name, and right at the top here is your text properties tools. Sometimes it might be on the side of your window. It just kind of depends on how you have your work area laid out. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and we have all of our fonts that are installed on the computer. And you can use any font that you feel comfortable scrolling. I'm going to come over here. I like this one called Cooper Black. So I'm going to select Cooper Black and then click Apply. And you can kind of see over here Gavin's name has changed into that Cooper Black. We could stretch out his name if we really want to fill in that space, and you can modify the name however you like. Once we have everything the way we like it, we'll just go ahead and marquee tool everything, so you're selecting everything, and then come up here to Path and Union, and once again it welds everything together into a nice little pattern. So if we zoom out, we could go ahead and start arranging our patterns. Anything that is on this page will print when you send it to the printer. So something like that works really nice. At any rate, I just wanted to give you kind of a quick little demonstration of how this kit works. You can find more information on the actual product page. So if you come up here to Scrollsaw Village under patterns, over here under business kits, you can see we have a whole bunch of them available here, and then the Easter one is right here, and it kind of gives you additional information, what's included in the kit, and a few screenshots including contents and additional elements that comes with the kit. At any rate, I just wanted to show you how this all works, and I hope you enjoy the kit. Thanks for watching. Bye.